Are you feeling burnt out, unsure about your next move? Maybe you've lost a little of that spark and motivation you once had. In real estate, the market shifts, trends come and go. And that's exactly why the right support system behind you is so important. Because no matter what the market is doing, your business should always be moving forward. Here at the Madrona Group, we take pride in building a culture of support, ownership, and growth. Our 14 systems to success are designed to keep you consistent, accountable, and thriving, whether you're brand new to real estate or a seasoned agent looking to elevate your career. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right people and the right tools by your side. If you're ready to reignite your business and join a team that truly invests in your success, let's talk. At the Madrona Group, we don't just sell homes, we build careers.